If Audacity is showing error code 9999, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix it step by step. In Audacity 3.7.7, error code 9999 is usually an unanticipated host error, which often means Audacity is trying to use a microphone or speaker that is blocked, disconnected, already in use, or not being detected properly by Windows. The good news is that this is usually a settings issue, and in many cases you can fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling anything. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Audacity and take a look at your audio setup. A very common reason for this error is that Audacity lost connection with your device, especially if you plugged in a microphone, headset, or audio interface after the program was already open. To fix that, go to the top toolbar and click the Audio Setup button. From the menu, choose Rescan Audio Devices. This forces Audacity to check your computer again and rebuild the list of available microphones and speakers. If your device was not being detected before, this alone may solve the problem right away. If the error is still showing after rescanning, the next thing to try is resetting the audio host. The audio host is basically the communication method Audacity uses to talk to your sound devices, and sometimes that connection can glitch. Again, click Audio Setup, then hover over Host. You should see different options available such as MME and Windows WASAPI. If you are currently using MME, switch to Windows WASAPI. If you are currently using WASAPI, switch back to MME. This simple change can often clear the error because one host method may work better than the other depending on your hardware and Windows version. As a quick tip, if you are using a newer USB microphone or modern audio interface, Windows WASAPI is often more stable. On the other hand, MME is an older legacy option, but it can work as a reliable fallback if the newer mode is giving you trouble. So if one option does not work, do not assume Audacity is broken. Just switch the host and test it again. Now, if Audacity is still throwing error 9999, the next place to check is your Windows privacy settings. Sometimes Windows blocks microphone access at the system level, and Audacity cannot use the device even though it appears to be connected. To check this, open your Windows settings, then go to Privacy and Security and click Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on. Also make sure that Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone is enabled. This is especially important because Audacity is a desktop application, and if desktop app permissions are disabled, Audacity may not be allowed to record at all. After changing those settings, go back to Audacity and test your microphone again. If needed, close Audacity completely and reopen it so the program can refresh its permissions and device access. In many cases, the combination of rescanning devices, switching the audio host, and fixing Windows microphone permissions will solve the error completely. If you still cannot get it working, double check that your microphone is not being used by another app. Video calls, browser tabs, voice chat apps, and even background recording software can sometimes lock the device and prevent Audacity from accessing it. Unplugging and plugging the microphone back in, then rescanning the devices again can also help if Windows is not recognizing it correctly. So to quickly recap, if you want to fix Audacity error code 9999, first rescan your audio devices, then switch the audio host between MME and Windows WASAPI, and finally check your Windows microphone privacy settings to make sure access is enabled. In most cases, one of these steps will get Audacity working again. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.